In today's lecture, I want to talk about operators. After this lecture, you will learn what is operator and why we need to use operators. Let me remove this and remove all this code and this variable as well. We have many types of operators. Like for example, this is an operator which we can call negation mark, and in programming we can call to this not sign and equal, plus sign, minus sign, multiplication, modulus, division, colon, and or operator, and something more. Let me explain the type of operators. We have some types of operators: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and unary operators. First, I want to talk about arithmetic operators. Like for example, we will have var underscore dump. What does it mean? It's a built-in function in PHP. It's working like echo. Actually, this is echo system. And I want to write here 3 plus 5. What will be the result? The result will be 8. Why? Because we have 3 plus 5. Let me check this and refresh the page. Look at this. We have integer type and the result is 8. This is the plus operator. And then let me comment this. We have minus operator. 3 minus 5. In this situation, we will have minus 2 in the result. Save the changes and refresh the page. We have minus 2. And then we have multiplication. What will be the result right now? 3 multiplication 5, it will come 15. Save the changes and refresh the page. We have 15 in result. And another operator is by the name of division. Comment this. But I don't want to divide 3. I want to divide 20 by 5. The result will be 4. Because when we divide 20 for 5, we will have 4 in result. Save the changes and refresh the page. Exactly, we have 4. The fifth one is modulus. I mean this operator. For this situation, we will have 0 in result. Why? Because if we divide 20 by 5, we will have 4 in the result. We don't have any extra number in result. Like for example, if I divide 21 by 5, we will have 4, but we will have 1 extra. In this situation, we will have 1. We have 1 extra number. Save the changes and refresh the page. We have 1. If I change this to 23, in result we will have 3. Yeah, we have 3. Or if I change this to 4, we will have 4. Or if I change this to 25, what we will have in result? Pause the video and find the answer. Done? If yes or no, let me check. Save the changes. If I refresh the page, we will have 0 right here. Refresh? Yeah, we have 0. Because we don't have any number that we cannot divide by 5. That was the arithmetic operators.